Good morning, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do a beautiful yoga flow class with a bit of strength added in. So welcome to class. I'm Shavita, and let's start the class by coming down on our hands and knees. And we're going to surrender on the mat. Take a nice big exhale. Take a nice big inhale. Exhaling, letting go. Inhaling, giving yourself permission to be here in the room for you to dedicate just a few minutes of the day to connect with your body, to connect with your breath. Coming up onto all fours. Let's just wake up the body nice and slowly. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, dome your back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, dome your back. One more time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, dome your back. Neutralize your spine. Take your ear to shoulder. And change. And one more time. And again. We're going to tuck our toes under, pull the belly button in, and lift up the knees. Holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And let's do that again. Inhale, lift up those knees, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And this time, we're going to inhale, lift up those knees and come into downward facing dog. Walk it out, left, right, left, right. Breathing nice, long, deep breaths. And then bring the feet together, bend the knees, take the knees over to the left and the hips over to the right. And change sides. And again. Beautiful. One more time, other side. And then we're going to come back into downward facing dog. Walking it out, left, right, left, right. We're going to lift up the right leg and then bring it over to the right hand. Drop the left knee down. Bring the hands to the inside of your right foot and have a little wiggle one way. And then have a little wiggle the other way. We're warming up those hips. In the hips, we sometimes hold tension, so we're going to let them go. Frame the front foot, kick back into downward facing dog. We're going to inhale, lift up the left leg, bring it to the outside of the left hand, drop the right knee down, and again, wiggling it out. Opening up the hips. The hips is one area where we hold a lot of tension. And what we're doing when we're stretching it out is we're releasing it. And then frame the foot. Come back into downward facing dog. So you're going to come into high plank. Bend the knees back into high plank. Bend the knees back into high plank. Let's do 10, 9, 8, beautiful, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then step the right foot in front, drop the left knee down. We're going to inhale, lift up the right hand. Frame the foot. Tuck the back toe under, lift up the back knee. We're in a high lunge position. We're going to bring the hands up and then we're going to come into cactus arms for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to pivot the back foot into a 45-degree angle and we're going to bend the front knee into warrior 2. That's it. Try to lean your torso back slightly. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to extend the front leg. Bring the shoulders back. Pop your hips towards me. So you want them facing towards me instead of facing the front of the room. Shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, reach. And then coming down into a triangle. And then rotate your chest towards the ceiling. And breathe. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. We're going to inhale, lift up, Both feet facing the front, shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, reach towards me. That's it. Place the hands in line with your feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come down. Lean forward onto your toes. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then walk the feet, the hands back to your feet. Frame the foot, kick back into a high plank. And if you want to, you can add a little flow in here. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Beautiful. Breathing in, breathing out. And we're gonna lean forward onto our hands, step our left foot forward, drop our right knee down, and we're gonna inhale, lift up the arm, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Frame the foot, lift the back knee up, coming into crescent lunge. Hands up, cactus arms for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate into a warrior. Lean slightly back with your torso. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. Extend the leg. Shoulders back. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, reach. And then come into triangle. Rotate your chest towards the ceiling. See if you can reach those fingers up slightly. Holding it for 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to rotate so you don't have to look at my back. Both feet facing the front, shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, reach towards me. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Place your right hand on the mat. Inhale, lift up your left. And then change sides. And then we're going to bring the hands to the front foot. Kick back. And again, you can do a flow. Lean slightly forward onto your toe, onto your hands. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to exhale, bring the knees down. Lean slightly forward into a melting heart, holding it for 3, 2, 1. And then gently coming up. Sitting cross-legged. Take one leg in front of you, heel doesn't touch the shin. Walk the fingers forward. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Then walk the fingers back. Change sides. The heel doesn't touch the shin and walk your fingers forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And slowly come back, sitting in a comfortable position. Let's just roll the shoulders back. Roll the shoulders forward. Turn your head, ear to shoulder. Relax your shoulders, don't forget to breathe. And then tiny circles up. And then come back into the center, relax your shoulders, sit nice and tall. And think of 3 things that you're grateful for today. 3 things that give you pleasure. Inhale each one of those things in. Exhale gratitude out to the universe. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. And then you can slowly open your eyes, come back into the room. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you sharing this time with me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.